What's up guys, Eric here. Today's episode we'll be installing this bad boy right here. This is the GRP steering wheel. Basically what I believe he does is he takes a stock one and then does all the carbon fiber, retrims all this on the side. This particular one's got red stitching. Look at that. Pretty sweet. It's even got that red stripe in the center. Just real quick, this is his information right there. Boop. And bam. Let's do it. So this is basically all you need. Well, I mean, you could just use an Allen key, but this is what I'm going to use. All you need is a ratchet wrench, extension, step up, 5mm Allen head socket in this instance, and then I'm using 10mm because I need to disconnect my battery. So I gotta open this up, and my battery's not over here. It's actually over here in that corner right there because I use the BAE clam hinge kit. Alright, I'm gonna set you guys down. There's my custom pole action, and basically that's it. I'm just gonna disconnect the negative, but I mean you can disconnect both if you like. This is for my tinder, and then that's my ground right here. So just put it away. Airbag's a pretty big deal. Last thing you want is that thing to blow up on your face. So now we go inside. So this is my old steering wheel. Pretty stock. So this is one, and then right on the opposite side, it is right here. Now the airbag's gonna slide out. Very careful, like green clip gotta come off. I've never done this part, so bear with me. Well, if you guys saw that, it just pulls straight out just with a little bit of force, and there she is. And we need to disconnect this plug right here. I always keep a flathead. That's kind of handy. Bam. I keep this flathead along with an 8mm socket and a little baby ratchet just in case. So now these 4 Allen heads, they're ready to come out. I think I need to invest in a headpiece. That way I can just place you guys like this. There's mosquitoes in here, and they are messing me up. I just have to wait till late in the day. Okay, these are slightly longer. Bam. Guess I should have grabbed the other steering wheel while I was at it. Son of a gun. Okay, so here's the new one. We're gonna slide this out of the way. Let's talk about these cables. Now we're gonna very carefully guide her in, pull all this stuff in the way, and bam! All done. Alright, thanks for watching. Just kidding. Okay, now we just gotta go ahead and connect those plugs back here and into the horn wires. Well, here she is. She's all done, and boy does she look freaking good. Well, that's all she wrote. All you guys missed was the battery install, and then I hooked up the tinder. That was it. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. If not, well, there it is anyways. Peace.